First of all, what a day, man. So basically Wallstreetbets it's at it again with GameStop. I believe that because of the short squeeze that we are witnessing on right now on GameStop, other stocks are also popping up like last time. BlackBerry, AMC, Nokia, Express, KOSS, and many others. You know, they're also pumping because of GME. I will be on the lookout for KOSS personally. Tomorrow, I'm gonna start looking at it at 4 a.m. at opening of pre-market on WEBULL. If you don't have WEBULL yet, I will link some links down in the description so you can definitely join. This stock passed by many of us last time. We were too focused on other stocks that this one flew by and no one around my group was able to take advantage of the huge swings that it had. I'm talking about KOSS. But the first time GameStop popped up, it was around $20 per share and it popped on the first day to $40 per share and it closed around $32, so that was around a 60% jump. Then spent another 2 days around $100 until it had another huge pop from $88 to $387. The next day it dropped to around $108, scaring a lot of people, but it went up the same day after hours to $436 until it started dying down due to the trading restrictions imposed by many platforms. I'm looking at you, Vlad. So in summary, it took GME from January 13th to January 28th to get to the peak of the short squeeze. That is 16 days to get to the peak. I believe that was around 2,500 growth in a matter of 16 days. That is just crazy wild. Today, we had a jump from $48 to $91. So if in fact we're witnessing a similar short squeeze like last time, this one is happening around 50% faster than the last squeeze, which would mean that we could reach a peak in around 8 days. Which is half the time that it took the other squeeze, because we're moving faster this time. But we would just have to see. I am not quite sure if the same thing is gonna happen this time. Now, the stock I'm going to be paying attention to tomorrow, like I said, is KOSS. It is insanely up during after hours already. I cannot wait to see what this one's going to do tomorrow during pre-market and when market opens. I think it's already at 44% up. That is just insane. So my advice to you is be careful and trade carefully tomorrow. It is about to be a wild day. Just look out for pullbacks because they do happen with short squeezes. So I would say look out for GME, BB, AMC, and KOSS in special. Today I bought an AMC call for around $40 and I sold it for $150 within minutes. So that just goes to say that there is a chance to make money for small players, you know, just like the big players do. Obviously, you have to recognize that I'm not a financial advisor, so definitely trade at your own risk and know that these trades are insanely risky. So I would not put all my money in them and I would just put money that I don't care about losing because it can actually happen. I'm just playing with little money here. I'm not playing with a lot of money. You know, I can definitely lose this money and end up holding these stocks for a long time. So I definitely don't want to do that. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel so we can all grow together and I can keep you updated on all these types of things. I will break down my portfolio on my next video. I think we are about 40% up from January since I started this challenge to $25,000. So I'm excited about that and I added some exciting stocks that I want to show you. You know, I'm really excited to share them with you as well as my strategy on them and what's going to be my exit strategy as well. Some of them are SPAC plays, long swings, CSPs, cover calls, and all of that. Alright, so definitely like this video, that would help me out a lot. And if you want to see more of this, subscribe to this channel. I will keep you updated like I said, and we'll grow together. So, alright, so thank you for liking this video and for watching it until the end. That helps me out a lot so that YouTube can recognize a small YouTuber like me. And I appreciate you watching this video. So have a happy trading day.